It's got a bit of glue around the perimeter. I'm gonna peel off the bottom and then I'm gonna cut the glue. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm using an X-Acto knife to peel this away and then cut the adhesive as it comes away. So I got adhesive on it still, on the foam still. I have adhesive on the door still. My plan is to stick it back together using that adhesive. Inside you can see this is the motor, and I can also see there's wires sticking out, which means the window regulator is bad. And next step is going to be probably ordering the parts. I was wondering if it's going to be the motor or the regulator, but the motor moves, it goes up and down, it spins, but the wires and stuff are all snapped. The window doesn't do anything anymore. So I will, to take out the motor, you just take these 3 bolts, this one, this one, this one, turn it and pop it out. Maybe I'll give that a try next. Okay, so we took the 3 bolts out, 1, 2, 3. Now we just turn it clockwise. And it pulls out. Ah, look, a rat's nest of wires. Okay, well it's obvious from the tangled mess that the regulator, window regulator that makes it go up and down, is busted. If these weren't kinked, potentially maybe you could rewrap them and rebuild it. But since this is screwed up, I'm just gonna look to see how much a new one is, because these kinked wires are likely to just go off track again. Now while I'm ordering new parts though, I want to make sure it's just the regulator and not the motor. So what I did is I took the motor, it's still hooked up into the power, and then I also put the switch back on so I can test to see if the motor's still good. And it is. So that's good news. So it's just gonna be the regulator, and right now I don't have that part, so I'm gonna order it, and then after that I'll be putting it back in.